I'm Mary Ann, and I came to CHI Health to have my knee replaced. I was having difficulty walking, and it seemed to bother the other knee too. So I just needed to do it.
Within the past year, my wife and my mom both underwent total joint replacements at CHI Health. And since they're the two most important women in my life, it was very important to me that they receive the type of care that they did.
The PA that I saw was very reassuring. When I mentioned my age, he said, "No problem." I thought, well, that's good. But it came off wonderfully. I guess I ended up feeling like they were some more of my sons. Another reason I look forward to going in for follow-ups, because they're family now. My experience was very good with CHI Health, so I can't imagine going anywhere else. And I can get back to fun things that I like to do.